Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to color correct footage in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, open the DaVinci Resolve app. Then here import your footage and place it to the timeline. Then at the bottom of the screen, click the Color tab. In the Color Wheels panel, you'll find Lift for shadows, Gamma for midtones, Gain for highlights, and Offset for overall adjustment. Adjust these sliders to correct exposures and balance the tone. Here you can also fix the white balance. Use the temperature and tint controls under the color wheels for primaries to correct any color cast. Make whites look truly white. And adjust the saturation. Below the wheels, increase or decrease the saturation to make colors pop or tone them down. Then right-click the nodes area to add a new node. Each node can represent a different part of correction, like exposure, color cast, contrast, and more. And use the bypass color grade button to compare the before and after. Fine-tune as needed. And once you're happy with the result, save and export. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.